We're going to go back and we're going to work on factoring higher order polynomials. Let's see, which one am I going to work with? I'm going to work with number 3. F of x equals 4x cubed minus 7x plus 3. Now this is a cubic function, and so I'm going to need my piece over q's, my rational root theorem. Remember, the p's come from the constant. What numbers can multiply to 3? Well, plus or minus 3 and plus or minus 1. My q's come from the leading coefficient. What gives me a 4? Plus or minus 4 plus times 1, 4 times 1, and 2 times 2, but I'm not going to write the 2 again because then that's repeating the 2. So p over q is going to be the p divided by the q. So what's 3 divided by 4? 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by the 2, it's plus or minus 3 over 2. Now the 1 divided by the 4, the 1 divided by the 1, and the 1 divided by the 2. Alright. Well, since I have so many choices for my p's over q's, I better start with plus or minus 1, because we always say we'll start with at least one of them. So I'm going to plug it into the function, the 1, and see what I get. F of 1. Oh, I forgot to write the 4. 1 cubed minus 7 times 1 plus 3. And let me use my calculator. Woohoo! My calculator says that this equals 0. So that means that it is a root, right? So x equals 1 is a root. Let me remember that. So now I'm going to use my root to synthetically divide. I'm trying to save space. Let me see. Do I have all my degrees? This is degree 3, degree 1, degree 0. No, degree 2 is missing, so 0x squared. So my coefficients are 4, 0, negative 7, and positive 3. 4, 0, negative 7, and 3. Bring down to 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 0 and 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is, this gives me a negative 3. 0. Let's see, remainder, degree 0, degree 1, degree 2. So this polynomial ends up being 4x squared plus 4x minus 3. And so this is a quadratic, and we can factor this, right? Well, we can try to factor, I should say. What's 4 times negative 3? Negative 12. And we needed to add up to the middle term, which is 4. 6 times negative 2, right? That gives me negative 12, and then 6 plus a negative 2 gives me a positive 4. So 4x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 3. From here I can take out a 2x. I have 2x plus 3. And then from this second bubble I can take out a negative 1. And I'll have 2x plus 3. Now these are the same. Remember, this doesn't work if you don't end up with identical factors. So we have 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1. And then you set each of them equal to 0. Right, we have 2x plus 3 equals 0. And we get that x equals minus 3 halves. And we have 2x minus 1 equals 0. And we get that x equals 1 half. And, go ahead and do all the steps. You can solve them. So this is another root. And this is another root. Right, so if you collect the information, Your roots are x equals 1, x equals minus 3/2, and x equals positive 1/2. That means your x-intercepts are going to be 1, 0, minus 3/2, 0, 1/2, 0. You might be able to fit a second problem on the bottom of this page. Oh wait, I'm writing this polynomial in factored form. Where's the first factor? Since the root is 1, then it'll be x minus 1. The other ones were 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. So this would be the factored form.